Watch, stay back. Oh my God, we gotta do something. Keep going. Watch it. I can't reach it, man. Throw it again. Do it again. I'm going down. I got it. Come on, pull it. Pull it. Come on, pull it out. Come on. Drop it. Somebody help. Hurry up, going back. Come on. Help. Come on, you got it. That's it. Pull it up. Come on, I'm thinking, man. Pull this thing out of here. Come on. Pull it up.
Hey, can you get left door to call 911? Please hurry. It's an emergency.
I can't reach it, man. Somebody help! Hurry up, I'm going down! Help! Come on, John, you gotta grab it! I can't reach it, man. Throw it again. Help! Hurry up, I'm going down! Somebody help! Come on, reach it! Go ahead!
Let me help!
Watch out, pull! Come on, fellas, I'm sinking, man. Pull this thing out of here! Come on!
Dude, that's not gonna work!
Come on, I can't reach it. Come on, I can't reach it. Keep going!
Here! Watch out!
Oh, yeah, get! Use it forward.
Okay, grab my ankles! Push me out there! Come on! I got you, okay?
Let go.
I got his hand! Come on! Pull!
Come on! John, hold on!
Pull! Come on!
John, hold on! Come on!
It's not working! He's too deep! Okay, wait here! Take my keys! Go get my bike lock!
What for? What are you talking about? Let go.
Come on!
I got it.
You're gonna be okay! Hold on! Where is he?
I got it. What do you want me to do? Hurry up!
Shut that tubing off and toss it to me! You're gonna be okay! Dude, hold me!
Here.
Flip it! It's okay.
Hang in there, Sean. Here you go. Here, take.
Put this in your mouth so you can breathe! Hold it! Oh my God! Don't let go! Oh, don't let go! No!
Hold it! I'm gonna get him out!
No! We're gonna be okay! We're gonna get you! Hey guys, he's buried in the sinkhole! Is he still alive? Yeah, I got his hand! He's breathing through this tube!
All right, Janie, get him paddleboard. Cody, hook up the winch. Yep.
Hurry!
Hang on.
Hold on, dude, they're here, okay? You're gonna be okay!
Yeah, I got his feet. Give me some slack. Cut me some slack. Go ahead, grab his legs. All right.
Bitch!
Hang on. Got his legs.
Here it comes!
More slack!
More slack.
It's coming, hold on, man!
Okay, he's on. Pull me out. You got him?
Don't let go of it!
All right. Take it up, Alex.
Hold on! Here it All right.
Okay. All right. Slow breaths. Okay.
You okay, man?
Oh, yeah. All right. Get some water, huh? Yeah.
Deep breaths.
Good job.
Oh, thank you guys so much.